Hey guys, look at this monster here. That's my mountain soursop. This tree, it's cold tolerant. So unlike the soursop tree that as soon as we get a freeze or it gets cold, then it's the tree's at risk for frostbite and then it may die. So this is the mountain soursop. It's very cold hardy. You can plant it and you don't have to worry about moving it. But the squirrels are giving it hell. The squirrels are biting the fruits and just dropping them on the ground. So what I'm gonna do right now is trim the tree up, trim it back. It's getting extremely tall. So that's what I'm gonna do. Let me see if y'all can see. Yep. This tool is extremely handy. So this is it now. And on the ground is so much leaves. I feel bad when I have to cut, cut the tree like that, but something that I have to do. Yeah, and just know that it's gonna grow back, and it's gonna look just as beautiful as it was previously. So yeah, what, half an hour to cut the tree? Not bad. Trim it up. Not bad, not bad, not bad at all. Alright guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me. I appreciate y'all. So I'm gonna go pick these branches up and have a blessed day, guys. Mountain Soursop.